Hello, my loves. I know it's been a while since I posted, but we've been actually pretty busy. We moved, so I'm so excited. Yeah, Jesse and I are finally in a actual house, like to ourselves. We're renting it for a year and hopefully gonna buy a house next year, so this is kind of giving us practice to see what it's like to just be on our own and whatever. I'm sorry, I look tired. It's morning time, so yeah. So I figured I would do a quick house tour. It's not completely set up, and I guess I could have waited until we completely finished things, but I really wanted to get a video out there for you guys because I miss you guys so much. I miss posting and recording, so I figured I can at least just do this and get a video up. So with that being said, let me show you guys our house. All right, so now that we're in focus, yeah, I have these curtains closed just because there were neighbors outside. So when you first walk in, this is the living room slash dining area. My mom was actually renting the house right before us, so she let us keep this couch. So our couch that we originally had, we just bought a couch cover for. Over here is the closet, like the coat closet, I guess. They're actually replacing the door, so that'll get put in today. Then we come over here to the entertainment center, which I actually love this thing, guys. It's my sister's, but thank God she had it. We are gonna get a new TV just because this TV was big in our room, but obviously it's not as ginormous here, so we're gonna get a new TV soon. Right here, I just have my purse and wallet and keys, my Cinderella snow globe thingy. So good. Ugh. Okay, there we go. Over here is actually our wedding stuff. This is the cake topper that we had. Our wedding was Disney themed, and our main table was Beauty and the Beast. So this is the cake topper. I ordered this off of eBay. Someone handmade it, so I thought that was awesome. Then this was our champagne glasses. I don't remember who. I think my mom's friend got this for us, so yeah, thank you. And if not, I'm sorry. Thank you to whoever got this. It's cool because you can change the little diamond things in them. This is our actual rose. I know it's kind of hard to see. We have to replace this light bulb up here, but this is the actual rose that was at our table on at our wedding. And then this is our unity candle, and Chip wasn't part of the wedding, but he just kind of fit the whole theme. Over here is my sister's snow globe. So it's Maleficent. There we go. And she said that she just left this here, so I was like, that's cool, it fits in. I think my mom made this headband. I'm not too sure. Over here we just have our small table, and me and Jesse were playing Monopoly. I'm winning, but I told him we could finish playing it when he comes back from work. This, like, what is it? Like bar shelf. This is actually my mom's, and she let us keep it here. That's all her stuff minus the flowers here. Well, hers and my brother's. My mom likes the way the bottles look. She's not really much of a drinker, to be honest, but yeah, I guess it does make it look pretty. So this is our bookshelf, and I just have some random books here. This is from Aladdin the Musical. This is actually perfume, this one and this one. These are mine and Jesse's diplomas. He's missing his from high school. I don't know where that is. And this is Ernie, because Jesse really liked him. These are our vinyl records. I'm gonna come on this side because the lighting's better. It's mostly Disney, but there's a couple of non-Disney. I really want to get a good collection going. Here is Jesse's Pac-Man game. I got him this for Christmas. It does work. It's really cute. It's like a mini version. Our Aladdin collectibles. So you have a lamp and then Jasmine and Aladdin on the carpet. And then Jesse's C-3PO because he loves Star Wars. We don't have a dining table yet. So there was like this plastic white table my mom left behind. So we're just using that for right now. I have my laptop out because I'm gonna have to edit this. Over here on the like breakfast bar area, let's see. So this is my Beauty and the Beast art. It is a collectible. It has like the information on the back. My friend JD got this for me for my birthday. Woo. This candle holder is actually gonna get placed over there above this bookshelf thing. And then this is my mom's. That's not us. It's just the random kids that came with the, yeah. This isn't our stuff. That's just stuff that got set aside. Random bar stools. We'll come to the kitchen. So it has a door to the backyard. Like I said, we're still unpacking things. You guys can kind of see the backyard a little bit. The doggies out there. And then, yeah, a lot of the appliances came with the house just because, like I said, it's my sister's house. And we're still trying to figure out where we want things to go. So, yeah, that's the pantry. That is our bedroom, which I don't want to show right now because it is a mess. Okay. So we go into the hallway. This is our bathroom. So this is our bathroom. I chose to go with like this cute mint green, like seafoam green and white color. The towel is just there for now until we actually go buy the towels that I want. But yeah, I found these rugs at Walmart. Not bad. This actually was the case for our couch cover. So I just used it. I rolled up some of the, what is it in English? I call them toallitas. They're wash rags. I rolled up a few of them that I bought. I bought some that were like the same colors that match the bathroom. And then these two I already had. I wanted to go with the Little Mermaid theme. This shell is from Huntington Beach. And then there's a little baby shell. And then yeah, I put up these little stickers. So that's the bathroom. This is just the hall closet. It's just toiletries and stuff. This is going to be my office / recording room, but I haven't had a chance to work on it yet. So as you can see, we still have boxes and stuff that we need to unpack. I have my desk in that corner, which I actually want to paint it white. This dresser we were holding in our storage unit for, I think it was my sister-in-law's, but I just brought it over here because I'm going to put all my makeup and stuff here. The backdrop is going to go against this wall so that this way I can just set up all the camera equipment and just record. Alright, and the last room, which is probably one of my favorite rooms. So this is our Disney room, and this is the artwork, which was actually the centerpieces to our tables at our wedding. My friend Sam did them. She's an awesome artist. Even though she said she didn't like these, that she did them, and I was like, what? They're awesome. I love them. And I don't know where my tripod is, guys, so we're still unpacking. And then this I actually got from the Wish app. It's really cool. It's on like a canvas and it's just printed on there. I have another one in here, which is Beauty and the Beast, that I'm actually going to hang on that door. Right here, it's not necessarily cleared off yet. These are just a few of the pop figurines that we have to find a place for. That was also a centerpiece at our wedding. This is Sleeping Beauty's dress. We actually found this thing, I think at Goodwill, and it was just supposed to be like a necklace holder. But again, my friend Sam, being the amazing person she is, found a bunch of cloth pieces and put that together. This this blanket is from Aladdin the musical. We went to go see that on our anniversary this year, and so I bought the blanket and I just thought it would look so cool in the Disney room. My sister got me that for Christmas. Up here we have our projector. So this is not just the Disney room, it's also the guest bedroom, and as well as, like, you know, the kids room for them to come in and chill. We have all our pop figurines. I put Beauty and the Beast on the top, and then Aladdin's on the second shelf, which these fell over. We also got these at the musical. Focus, there we go. So I think this one's a pin. Oh, this one's a pin too. They're really heavy, but they're super cute. Here, let's see if it'll focus on it now. There we go. And then the last one is this one. Focus, there we go. Yeah, and we're still building our collection of the pop figurines. But this is what we have so far. And then on this third shelf here is Jesse's Star Wars pop figurines. And then this shelf here is actually going to be like the villains shelf. And then there's nothing down there, but we're probably going to put that those other pop figurines that don't have a place. Up here we have these really awesome spray paint art that we got from California. There was a street artist that did them. So we have Beauty and the Beast, Aladdin, and then Chewbacca, because Jesse loves Star Wars. Well, that's it. I'm gonna go eat breakfast now because I'm hungry. And I didn't really eat last night, so that explains it. But yeah, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. And hopefully I could just get a bunch of videos up soon. So bye, loves.